So tell me, what advice or what tips have you got, right, for a mindset for leadership to share with, especially the young people that are here, who may aspire to be leaders themselves? What are the tips that you could give?
I think that it's really important to dream really big and not be afraid of failures and rejections, because the problem with many people that I know is that they are too focused on their fears, they're too focused on the risks, and they're focused on the risks more than the reward. And focusing on negativity is one of the worst habits that can even exist. And people overestimate every obstacle and underestimate the power of their mindset.